Ultra-billionario Ramon Ang is hell-bent on improving the services of the Ninoy Aquino International Airport after taking over its operations last year. His latest plans in this report from Francis Falve.
Former Senator and former Trade Secretary Mar Rojas was surprised to see San Miguel Corporation's chairman and ultra-billionario Ramon C. Ang at the NAIA tarmac early Sunday morning, just as he arrived from Capiz.
Yan ang paring Ramon Ang. Linggong-linggo ng umaga. Ayan ha, Sunday 1:26, 7:44, nandito sa airport.
In September 2024, San Miguel officially took over the operations of NAIA under new NAIA Infracorp, or NNIC, for the rehabilitation of the country's main gateway. One of the expected improvements is the expansion of the passenger terminal buildings, or PTBS, additional aircraft parking bays, more parking spaces, installation of world-class system and technology, and better land transport connectivity. Ramon Ang shared his plans with Rojas.
Ito po yan, hanggang dito. It can handle initially, temporarily, 6 million passenger per year.
Wow.
Habang ginagawa yung concourse. Yung concourse extension, good for 12 passenger boarding bridge. Yan. So,
Para mabilis.
mabilis.
Kumbiniyente.
Within 3 months, tapos na yan.
San Miguel-led NNIC promises to increase NAIA's capacity from 35 million to 62 million passengers annually. The project will also create 58,000 new jobs for Filipinos. San Miguel is investing 144 billion pesos in the NAIA rehabilitation over a 15-year concession period with a possible 10-year extension. From Terminal 2, the rehabilitation will also cover the adjacent Philippine Village Hotel.
Yan yung Philippine Village.
Kailangan niya ma-demolish na yan. Kanya lang, dahil sa mga legal problem ng gobyerno with mga nag-lease dyan, 20 taon na yung may problema. Ngayon pa lang daw masesettle according to Secretary Jimmy Bautista. Yan.
Para ngayon, anong gagawin dyan? Another terminal?
Hindi, diretso na yan. Extension na ito.
So itong Terminal 2, tuloy-tuloy na, sasakupin yan.
Hanggang dulo.
With these changes, NAIA will increase its passenger capacity by 12 million to meet the 35 million domestic and international passenger targets.
Pero kayang-kaya. Sandali lang yan. Nakita mo, 3 months pa lang, marami na tayo nagawa. Nakita mo. So, we will quickly build a bus gate for 6 million passenger dito habang tinatayo yung Terminal 5. Tapos na yan. Sandali lang, sir.
Okay.
While rehabilitating NAIA, San Miguel is also constructing the 740 billion pesos New Manila International Airport in Bulacan, expected to be completed by 2028. Changes in terminal usage will be Terminal 1 for international low-cost carriers, Terminal 2 and 5 for all domestic flights, while Terminal 3 for long-haul international carriers.
Yung curbside, departure and arrival curbside, in-expand natin yung arrival curbside. Gagawin natin yan 12 lane at nakabubong. Kahit bumabagyo at umuulan, makita mo, meron yan A, B, C, D island. So doon ka na nag-aantay para pag tinawag mo yung driver mo, in 5 minutes nandiyan na yung kotse mo. Tapos we will have enough parking for cars and driver waiting for their passenger arrival.
Rojas also asked about installing passenger boarding bridges or tubes for domestic flights, such as those to and from Capiz, to prevent weather-related travel disruptions. Ang confirmed this is part of their considerations for the project. Francis Polbe, Billionario News Channel.